tip is this? What kind of tip is this? Class is in sesh. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela. Hey girl, hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This video been way long overdue, guys. So sorry. Ooh, something in my eye. You asked, I deliver. You guys wanted to know some SPD tips and tricks. The first tip I have is to not focus on the tools. Y'all probably like, what kind of tip is this? What kind of tip is this? But it's true. The tools is not on the test, guys. It might be on your class test, but not on that certification test. Tip number 2. You can use this app that I use. I have this app that's right here. I'm gonna link it down below in the description. I have to find it. There's like over 400 questions you could take, but the certification is only 150, so you should take the 150 out of the 400 questions. Take that test 3 times out of the day. Once you take the practice test, it will show you which ones you have wrong and why you got it wrong and what's the correct answer. And it will explain everything under it. Next tip is to use flashcards. Flashcards will be your lifesaver. Oh my God, y'all. I have so many flashcards, and she made us do flashcards. We quiz each other, and these flashcards help tremendously. Now, this is where I focus on the tools right now. This is for like the in-class part. Take pictures, and what I mean by that is our school was lucky enough to provide us with tools. What we did, we took pictures of the tools and we wrote down the name of them. You guys will have to learn the tools too, so we learned over 200 and something tools, and it was so freaking easy, guys. But here's an example of what I'm talking about. Like this is a pool cell First Smith. Pictures of each school. That actually helped a lot. It's hard to put this back in there. Tips and tricks were like so easy. Those are all my tips and tricks that I have for you guys, and I hope you guys pass the CRCST exam. Good luck to all of y'all. Do not overthink it. Take your time. Stay positive, guys. You can get through anything. Just put your mind to it. You guys will pass this test. Do not stress. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos on the way.